Hello everyone. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So today I'll be giving a tutorial on how to extract a voice from a video by using CapCut. CapCut is an amazing app, and some people have been complaining that CapCut is this and that, but please no, CapCut is not the way you ought. CapCut is an amazing app, and it's free. You can download it for free. If you want to see many tools, that is when you have to subscribe to it. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you how to extract your voice, a voice from a video on CapCut, and add your own voice or any other voice on CapCut. So let's go. As you can see, this is my CapCut. This is a photo editor, AutoCut, product photo, AI poster, expand. So I may be teaching you how to do a photo editor after this extract video. I don't want the video to be long, so let's go to my new project. I've been asked a lot about how I extract my voice from my video and add a voice. So this is the tutorial today. Let's choose a video. Let's choose this. Let's play the video. This the video you are seeing, this place is called the main editing interface. Then at the top here, at the top here and here, these are called the previous or playback window of what it is we are editing down the bottom here. So that's, let me show you. Here is called the editing timeline. So let's undo. So let me play the video. I want to extract the sound of this video. All I need to do is go to my editing, split. Let's go forward. Let's split it here. I split it here. Let me show you where I split it. This is where I split it. Okay, so let's undo the circle. Now let me go front. Now I want to extract the volume of this video and place another volume. I will look for extract. I think that's what I have to look for. Yes, we have gotten it here. This is our extract audio. Let me circle it so you can see. Here is our extract audio. So let me undo. Go to your extract audio, play it. You see, you can still hear the voice. In order for you to stop hearing this voice, just click on the audio, extracted audio, delete it, play it. Can you hear any sound? You can't hear any sound. Okay, now you want to add a voice to this video that you extracted and delete. Go and look for let's go to the video again. Click on the video. Hold on, guys. Okay, this is how to add the extras I want. Go to audio. You see, to that, choose here. You can use copyright. Check if there's copyright, brown music, sound X, very nice to use. Go to extract. This is my extract. Then click on any video you want to use the sound. Let's click on this one. Then you can see extract and add audio. I click on it. Let's play it. As you can see, it's now playing, but our mission is not yet complete, because when you pass the place I edited, the other sound of the rest of the video, you can notice it. So for you to only make the side you edited to be with the volume that you just added, this is what you have to do. Scroll to the end, adjust it to where you edited it. I think this is where we stopped. Let me show you where we stopped. Here is where the edited one stopped, and this is where I drag the extracted audio to. So undo. Let's play it now. So guys, so we are done with it. You can add volume. This is high, low, reduce it anyhow you want. That is how you make it to happen. If you still want this other audio that you just added extracted to the video, if you want it at the rest, you can also click on it, extract the video, delete it, and then drag this one to the end. That is how you extract a voice from a video. You can also add your own voice to the video. Just go to audio, go to extract, and pick any video you want. Is it a video of your voice talking? You can add it to it. So now we are done with how to extract a video. Let's play the video again. I've been asked so many times, how do I do this? So finally I've made a video about it. So let's go back. It says save to project. How do you use this photo editor? I click on photo editor, choose any photo. Wow, I have a lot of photos here of Arya Star and Tyler. I love both, they are amazing. So let's go to Arya Star. I'm not choosing, no, you guys not even say I'm choosing. No, this is just, I just want to use it for a tutorial. Close to edit. Yeah, this is our Tyler. Let's say we want to add a shape, a box, so that we can add the text to it. Click on shapes. They say style, stroke, opacity. No. Let's choose the shape first. I choose this. Okay, let's choose this. No, let's undo. Let's delete this first. Delete the next one. And let's choose that. Then let's go for style. There, style. Go to style. Let's color it. Yes, I like that color. Let's adjust it. Adjust. Then scroll up. This one, let's add a text to it. Click on text. You see, there are a lot of text here you can use. They've already edited for us and make it more beautiful. Let's say I choose love it. It will show on the enter text here. Then you can add any text you want to add to it. Let's say I want to add love you Arya Star. No, let's say love you Arya. Okay, so nice. Let's go. Then zoom it in. You want to place it inside the box which you just edited. Then click on the screen and it will be on its own. I want to also add another tool called opacity. Wow, that is it. If you want it to be, no, that's not what I want. So this is okay. Let's add another tool called shape. You see, that's our Arya Star. So you can undo and redo. This is our undo and redo, like I said before. No, this is this. This is our undo. This is redo. So let's undo it. Then let's undo the way I love it this way. So this is how you do your photo editor. Okay guys, so if this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And also I'm going to be placing the link of the CapCut below my video. Go there, get it, and get your CapCut and start editing your video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you and thanks for watching. Don't forget, I will be doing the next video. I will be placing the next video on close on how to auto cut and product photo on my next video. So bye guys, thank you for watching.